Does eating curd at night worsen cold and cough? Firstly, it's important to dispel the myth that eating curd at night directly leads to cold and cough. In reality, the correlation between curd consumption and respiratory issues isn't as straightforward as it may seem. Curd, or yogurt, is a rich source of probiotics, beneficial bacteria supporting a healthy gut. Probiotics can boost your immune system and improve overall well-being. However, the temperature at which you consume curd might play a role. In Ayurveda, it's suggested that consuming cold or chilled foods, including curd, can potentially imbalance the doshas and lead to health issues. Eating curd at room temperature or slightly warm might be a better choice, especially during the colder months. Furthermore, the idea that curd causes cold and cough might be rooted in individual sensitivities. Some people may be more prone to respiratory issues after consuming dairy due to lactose intolerance or other specific sensitivities. So, there is actually no proper conclusive evidence that eating curd at night directly causes cold and cough. However, paying attention to the temperature and your individual sensitivities can contribute to a more comfortable and health-conscious experience. As always, it's essential to listen to your body and make dietary choices that align with your overall health goals. For more such informative videos, don't forget to subscribe to Bibo. See you in the next video.